Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you have joined me today. If it is your first time, please be certain to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that you will be notified every single time I upload a video. I normally post videos about clothing unboxings, clothing hauls, online shopping, everything clothing. So if you enjoy that type of video, you have come to the right place. Today, we are going to unbox Natalie Attired, and I'll tell you what. This little box sat in my mailbox for a day before I realized it was there. We are very busy with our move, so I have got to get this unboxed and make my decisions pronto. So Natalie Attired is a styling subscription service, and there is a fee of $20 a month. That is for your styling fee, and you fill out a style quiz. You're paired with a stylist who sends you 5 items of clothing, accessories, jewelry, stuff like that, and you try it on at home, decide what you want to keep. You only have 3 days, and right now I only have 2 days to decide what to keep and to send it back. Anything that you don't want, the postage is free both ways, and I am so pleased with my Natalie Attired. I have received excellent pieces with every box, so I'm hoping this will be the same. So this is how my box comes. And first thing we have, it looks like it's a jewelry box. So let's open this up real quick. Isn't that packaged so beautifully? Let's see. It says, celebrating you. Joy is strength. And it says, enjoy your gift from the Natalie Attired team. Wow, that's really nice. This is a brass bracelet. It's so small, but on it is engraved, trust yourself. To thine own self be true. That's beautiful. I'm touched right now. I'm emotional because we've been really busy. So that's a beautiful, thank you, Natalie Attired. You just made my day. So let's get into this box. Let's look at the bundle. That's my bundle, and look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, I see some polka dots there. We have our return mailer, so that's awesome. We have, Annie is my stylist, and there's a personal note. It says, hi Kelly, I hope you love your spring collection. The kimono looks super cute over the peach top and white jeans. All the tops look great with the skinny. Enjoy, from Annie. So I'm not going to look at the prices just yet, but we have another kimono. You girls know how I feel about kimonos, but this one holds some promise. There's no black in this kimono. The one and only kimono that I own is from Natalie Attired, and that's that newspaper print one. So we have a little top here. This is by Gilly. And just kind of a tee. It's got a poly blend, but it has that awesome waistline that I like, that kind of faux wrap detail, and V-neck. It's real plain in the back. And this I'm excited to try. I love that color. Okay, and here's the kimono. The kimono is by B Kimono? No, it's by Do Everything in Love. And it's kind of a boxy type kimono. It looks really big. So let's see what that looks like on. Next is the polka dots. This is DNA Couture, and this looks like an office blouse. We've got a ruffle around the collar. We've got tab sleeves. It's a little bit thin, but it's pretty. It's a really pretty piece. I don't know how much I would use it, though. This is a poly blend again, or a rayon, and I just don't know if that's what I need right at the moment. Here's another Gilly top. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is the mixed media. It's a t-shirt, and it's kind of flowy. And then in the back, we've got a completely different fabric. We've got that navy blue floral in the back. So this is a wonderful cotton blend. It does have a little fold on the sleeve there, so this looks very promising. Now let's see. Everyone out there knows I have difficulty with white jeans, and they did send some white jeans. which I have purchased 2 pairs this year, and these are by Tribal, and they look like a capri length. They're a plain back, so that they look promising. I really don't know that I need any more white jeans. I purchased 2 pairs, had them altered to fit perfect, but I'm going to try these on and see if they warrant a place in my closet. Okay, here is the kimono by Do Everything in Love, and you know, it's just that brand name alone makes me want to purchase this kimono. It's 1 Corinthians. It's right up my alley. But what do you think about it? I'm still not sold on kimonos, but my husband said that he kind of liked it, but he might have been just being nice to me. So ladies, tell me the truth. Let me show you the entire kimono. Yeah, you know what? The fabric feels very, very nice. It's very lightweight. I guess it's just a layering piece. I don't know that it does anything to make my figure look better, but this might be the one. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. I'm not on the fence about this one. This Gilly faux wrap tee I really like. Let me show you the back. I am really enjoying t-shirts with little detail in them, and this particular detail I love. This is a real wrap. I can feel my skin in here, but I don't see anything when I bend over. So let me get up close so you can see. I like the neckline. It's pretty modest. Nothing special about the sleeves. That will work. I don't own any tees in this color, so this works for me. I kind of like it. Let me know what you think. Is this a thumbs up? This is the DNA Couture top, and it's got the tab sleeves, and I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a brass button, which is a beautiful hardware, but when it is rolled up and buttoned there, it's too tight for me. This blouse, I'll show you, it's just a little bit too tight. This is a size small. I normally wear a small, medium, and I would have to size up in this unless I just stood. I could just stand and wear this blouse and feel like a power woman. This does make me feel good. I think it's adorable. It's got this little tie up here, which I normally don't like, but that's really not too much for me. I like this neckline, the appearance of a collar and then coming down into a V. There's a lot about this blouse that I do like. It is lined in the front, which I appreciate. It's sheer in the back, but tell me, can you, I just think there's so many fabulous things about this blouse. I just don't have any need for it. And the last blouse is the Gilly blouse. You see these cuffs on the sleeve, and so check it out, this mixed media. And the silhouette, it's a high-low, and it's pretty blousey, I guess. But I don't know, it feels awesome. I don't own any mixed media like this. So I'm really enjoying this. It's just a very, very casual piece. I think it looks great with the white jeans. And speaking of the white jeans, these are the white jeans Natalie Attired sent. I am wearing my Old Navy Rockstar jeans. The ones that she sent, the tribal ones, are actually like a pull-on jegging. There is no zipper on them, and I can't get these over my hips. So I don't know if that's unfortunately or fortunately. These are going back. They don't fit me, but luckily for me, I've already scored a couple pair of white jeans that I'm real happy about. But yeah, with hips like this, I really need a zipper closure to get into them. So I guess it's this blouse, the coral color blouse that I love. The kimono is the one. I'm on the fence about the kimono, but you know what? Let's look at the prices. Before we look at the prices, let me show you my bracelet. Can you see where it says? Let me see if it will focus. Trust yourself. Yeah. If you haven't tried Natalie Attired yet, I am leaving all of the information as well as a referral link in the description below. So feel free to use it and check it out. For all of you ladies that have gone through my link to order your Natalie Attired, I say thank you very much. You have afforded me with credit, which I am very, very grateful for. Thank you so much. And anyone else that uses it in the future, I thank you in advance. You guys are just awesome. I really appreciate it. So with my mailer bag, there's some things that are going to go back, and we'll go over the prices. These pants they've got to go back. They don't fit. And they are $87. So $87 is going back, and I feel like I have saved some money. The polka dot top, although it's beautiful, this top is $39. And you know what? I would keep this top because this is a nice dress top. Like, if I had to do jury duty, this would be a great top for jury duty, and I get called a lot. But it's just too small, and I have no use for it. Now, with the other items that we have, okay, this coral top by Gilly, this t-shirt with the faux wrap, I love it. It is $39. I think that's a steal. Love the detail on t-shirts. I think it makes them so much more interesting than just a plain tee. So that one is $39. This mixed media tee is $49. So I really like it. I don't own anything like it. I think $49 is a little bit high for a t-shirt type top, but I want to keep it. So I think I'm going to keep it. Let me know what you think about that. I like this. And the kimono. The kimono is only $38. I own one kimono, and I purchased it from Natalie Attired, and that was really reasonably priced as well. So I am more willing to take a risk on a piece of clothing that I don't normally wear when the price is lower. I feel like kimonos are a trend that aren't going to last a real long time, so I don't want to spend exorbitant amounts of money on trendy clothes, but I think $38 is a steal. I love the brand. I like the colors in this. I don't know about the fit. You girls, be honest with me. Let me know what you think about this kimono, because I am leaning towards purchasing this kimono. So with that said, Natalie Attired does offer a 20% discount if you purchase all 5 items. So the total of this box is $252. And if I kept everything, it's $185.60. And Natalie Attired does offer exchanges. If I was to size up in those white pants and that polka dot top, if they have it in inventory in a larger size, they would do an exchange for me. So that's pretty awesome. I don't think I need either of those items. I am just looking at keeping the 2 tees and perhaps the kimono. I will wait for your comments, and I have to thank you all for your comments. It really does help me to make my decisions about purchasing these clothes. Sometimes others see us in a different light than we see ourselves, and some of you ladies are really fabulous at pointing things out that I have not noticed myself. So I thank you for that. Please join the conversation. I love it. I am so glad to hear from all of you. If you haven't done so already, please be certain to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It really does help a girl out, and I appreciate it. You guys do so much for me. I'm going to do something in return for you coming up before I leave this house. I promise you guys, look out for that. My Nadine West should be arriving any day, so be on the lookout for that video coming up as soon as I get that little pink package. And until then, blessings to all of you.